Hey you guys, it's your girl Duffy back at you with another video. In this video, it's going to be a little different than my typical vlogs. I wanted to spend more time in the moment and spending time with my friend rather than trying to capture so many moments for the vlog. So this vlog is just going to be b-roll that I did get of the trip, just to kind of show you guys what was going on. In this clip, we had just gotten up and we gotten on the road and starting our day, and we're in the car and we're jamming and we're gonna catch a late breakfast. So a lot of the pictures from like the breakfast and stuff is gonna be on my Instagram, so make sure you follow on Instagram to see the photo dump from this weekend. But yeah, we're just having a great time, and I just really, like I said, wanted to be in the moment and, spend a lot of time with my friend and not focusing on trying to capture every moment. So the gun show was really, really fun. I got to see so many different guns that I've never seen before, some that I have seen in different styles, different colors. I got to hold some guns. I was contemplating on getting a knife. I did see one that I really, really liked, but at the time I just couldn't justify the purchase. So I did get some other little trinkets. After the gun show, we went to Escapeology. It's an escape room that's down in North Carolina, and we had so much fun. We lost. We lost, but we had so much fun, and on my next visit, we're going to try some other different rooms, and I'm really excited about that because, we lost, and I'm not happy about it. We got to the very, very end and ran out of time. After that, I got to see the scenery. It was raining earlier this day, but then the clouds cleared and the sun came out, and everything was just so beautiful. All the land, all the trees, everything was just so beautiful. So I got to see a lot of, the lay of the land. And then we went to one of his favorite Vietnamese place called Grilled Ginger, and the food was amazing. 12 out of 10, hands down, just the best food I have ever tasted. After dinner, we scooted over to this arcade called Stop Button, and we had so much fun just being able to let our inner child out and play so many different games. Our thing is air hockey, so we did get to play air hockey, and that was a whole vibe. Next morning, we had breakfast before getting back on the road to head back home. And breakfast was awesome, and the ride back was really nice, really smooth. I'm definitely pleased with how the weekend went, and I'm so excited I was able to get away and to spend time with one of my closest friends. And I will be visiting again soon, so I'm really excited about my next trip. And so yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.